BIOFIRE SPOTFIRE industry. Unboxing the control station and modules. Control station unboxing. Open the SPOTFIRE industry control station box. Please ensure the box and packaging materials are retained in case of return, replacement, or if repair is required. If the packaging materials are discarded, replacement packaging costs will be incurred. Remove and open the accessory box. Ensure that all necessary contents are present. Please note that all industry systems will include antennas, but they will not be installed. Industry systems do not have Wi-Fi capabilities enabled. Set the accessory box aside. Remove the top foam layer from the box. Remove the bagged control station with 2 hands by grabbing the base and the touchscreen. Do not grab the arm. Remove the plastic bag and place the control station on the desired work area. Module unboxing. Open the module box. Please ensure the box and packaging materials are retained in case of return, replacement, or if repair is required. If the packaging materials are discarded, replacement packaging costs will be incurred. Remove the module connection cable from the box and set aside. Remove the upper suspension film assembly. Remove the bagged module. Remove the module from the plastic bag and set aside for assembly. Remove the pouch slot shipping guard. Place the shipping guard with the module box and shipping materials in case of return, replacement, or if repair is required. The SPOTFIRE industry instrument is now unboxed and ready for setup. Please refer to the Setup Quick Guide or video for step-by-step instructions.